Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we say our program, we're able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Paul Messi in the upcoming second, they advise Mikel Arteta and the Arsenal hierarchy say make them no sell Gabriel Magalhaes to Juventus. So say make them no try him, because if they sell Gabriel out, so it will be 2 steps backward for the progress they see that they do, for the project they say we could trust. So it no go make sense. Even the Juventus way in the system, no be the Juventus of the old. Juventus don't shark. You get it is now another Juventus where they try to patch themselves up. So they don't do that mistake at all. Forget say maybe Saliba don't come, or maybe Pablo Mari don't come, or maybe they talk say if they sell and they go still go buy Pau Torres. So it don't make sense. But they still keep their Gabriel Magalhaes, add them to the rest of the team, and enjoy this new season. So away from that, Reims of France, they don't add Folarin Balogun to their list of players who they won't sign. They won't use Folarin to replace Hugo Ekitike, we go join PSG, because everybody they expect say Hugo Ekitike will join Newcastle, but the deal no can work. Now PSG under the tutelage of Campos, and they can snap off the guy, can carry and go there. So I never know whether Arsenal will sanction the deal, send the guy go there, either by selling him or on loan. I never know how it will go. Anything Arsenal decide, I will let you know. On my familiar setting, so they ask Odegaard about Zinchenko. Say where anything say Zinchenko fit play, how Zinchenko go dey instrumental to Arsenal moving forward. So Baba Kanto say this Zinchenko wey in the scene now, say Zinchenko can play 3 different positions. Say this guy can play as a wing back, maybe the left back to pair or deputize for Kylian Tierney. So at the same time, the guy can play left wing forward, you get that Martinelli wing in case anything happens. So they can see drafts the guy can play there. And also the guy can play as a defensive midfielder, can replace Saka comfortably, no shaking, you get. After all, I'm midfielding they play for Ukraine. So the guy is a very, very great addition to Arsenal side, and he has won many things. You get winning EPL no be problem for him. If they win am like water, he don't get the medal plenty from the locker. You get, so he's bringing those winning mentality to Arsenal, and that is very, very happy. Say a player of the caliber of Zinchenko they join Arsenal, say it will make sense. Arsenal don't defeat Chelsea 4-0 for the Florida Cup where they played this early morning. I think they played the match less than 2. I don't know, because I be once they make I watch them, but I can't hear say they would delay the match small onto small bad weather, whether a tornado, I don't know, whether a thunderstorm, I don't know. They shall delay the match, so I don't go feel wait, Jerry. I just sleep. So when I wake up this morning, I just go check the highlights, check how them play. I still say Arsenal beat them 4-0, and Gabriel Jesus 9 boss net open in the scoring for 16 minutes. Gabriel Jesus score, Odegaard knock you onto, Saka score, Sambi Lokonga can score, like a shock just don't know what they do them. And what it can sweep in that way Gabriel Jesus score when just chip the keeper again. This is what we are clamoring for. If you check now, Gabriel Jesus don't score, she been at 4 goals now in 3 appearances. For you to know, say this guy is a natural born goal scorer. That's why me I get confidence. Say this guy, if he dey fit, say nothing do him. This guy will give us 25-30 goals in a season. He's sure for him. Scoring plenty goals now in hobby. He dey enjoy in game time for Arsenal. Like come like say we dey play to his strength. So I'm very, very happy the way Arsenal take play can defeat these guys. Kudos. This season, I always talk, and this season is going to be a banger. Our Piers Morgan said don't welcome Zinchenko for the way the guy to join Arsenal. So Baba can talk say Arsenal signed top Ukrainian star from Manchester City for £30 million. Saying a very, very excellent choice. And myself, I know say the choice it makes sense. This one way Piers Morgan don't come as I can they praise some of our addition. Yeah, it makes sense now. Maybe don't turn a new leaf. Well, now the season starts now. Okay, any small hiccup will get on the way now. Baba will come out all swinging now. Start to blast our manager. What for the watch chat? On my familiar setting, they ask Mikel Arteta about Zinchenko the way they play against Chelsea. So Baba Kanto says Zinchenko was very, very desperate to play. You know, say now one of the people will not sign quickly like that, yeah. Because that towards the end of the preseason tour, now we sign out. So he was desperate to play. He played for 45 minutes, so he had a good time. You know, he did some passes, some runs, and defending. The guy tried because as Kylian Tierney don't they injured. So now Zinchenko and Tavares now play that match. They played 45 minutes each, and it was a very good one. At least you don't see what Zinchenko they bring to the table. Then maybe now we'll go back to London. We'll go and play Sevilla for the Emirates Cup. So we'll see the kind of strong team where Arteta goes. I'm expecting Zinchenko to start. Then other people say will start. And we'll see how things will be. Also, Mikel Arteta when they talk about William Saliba, so you can talk say Saliba adapt to the team very well. Say Saliba is a very top player. Say it is our job to help him develop more. So we want to make him better than what he already is. You see the way Marcel make him better than what he did before from where they come from. The we self want to make him more better than the way Marcel takes see himself. We want to make the guy a beast. Because he's just 21, so he has a lot to learn. He's still learning the ropes at his little age. So if you want to be like a Virgin van Dijk in the future, he gas be very strong and listen to what the coach they let her know. So that because now Arteta will bring out those, unlock all those potential for a body. So much just the watch as everything will do. My prayer and make all those guys Saliba, all those our new people. Because Saliba to me is like a new signing. Just say we signed 6 players. Saliba is like a new signing because he's a new addition playing for the team for the first time. He never played EPL for us before. So I just hope say the guy will join us, play well, have a fantastic season and become a better player. And my prayer for him that. Even so, if Arteta going to give some kind of updates about Fabio Vieira, Tomiyasu, Keriatieni, because those ones they get injury updates, and just maybe they are 1 week away from joining the first team training. Then Fabio Vieira, say that one need a little time longer outside for him to get better. After he don't get better, then the guy still dey injured. I don't know, but after just in the time, so after some little time, then he will join the team. I can't wait to see that guy himself. Then on Gabriel Jesus, so Arteta can say Gabriel Jesus gets a knock. So they give a knock for the first half. So that knock won't affect him somehow. So he wasn't comfortable to keep playing. That's why they can't quickly come out because they don't want to take risk. When you say Emirates Cup day on the horizon and the league will still start anytime soon, so it's a no-brainer for us to take so many risks to get. That's why they don't play the guy too much. Well, be bad idea. Maybe they arrest the guy because they won't kill him. So good as they arrest him. Then they ask Arteta also for the media setting because they don't want to make him good. They ask him about the quality of Arsenal squad. So Babacon talks say everybody knows they don't upgrade the team, they don't increase the team size, and they did not increase it on quantity, they increased it on quality. They don't raise the quality of the Arsenal squad, and that one is true because we signed many winners. We get winning mentality. We signed them, and at the same time, Babacon they talk say we still get short in some position because when you look at it, maybe you come out some people will get injury, won't put another person. We see some positions we need to sort them out to get. So now make the first come out some people with the one sell. After I don't sell some people will do 1 or 2 additions before the window close. Now I'm still positive. I dey quite optimistic. Say Arsenal will sign 1 or 2 players before the window will end. More just to watch. Then they ask Mikel Arteta also make him give an assessment of the USA tour. So Babacon say, what do you want me to talk again? So we had a very nice tour. We played 3 games and we scored 9 goals. So what do you again want to talk? 3 wins, 9 goals. The team did well. So now what they pray for say the new players them buy, they don't adapt well with the team. So that's what we are praying for. That was very good assessment. Away from that, so Fabrizio Romano come aside for one interview where they interview and for Give Me Sports. So Babacon talk say Arsenal will need to pay £55.4 million for Lucas Paqueta if they won't sign him from Lyon. I want to about the talk, but me I be the thing say they say Lyon don't reduce the asking price to below £40 million. So this why Fabrizio will talk to now 55.4. Now he will take us to collect this guy and never really know. Even with Lucas Paqueta, anyway they ain't go to scam for our preseason. They say this boy enjoy, they're having a nice time. It's just I'm gonna go join them. That way they get some kind of vibes. Say man go join them. Well, but if you decide to come join us, you're highly welcome. Then also Arteta come aside from media set when they praise the Kroenkes. So Babacon talk say these Kroenkes they really try for him, like they give him the financial backing to enter the market, buy players where he need to get. So it makes sense. It shows that they are highly committed and want to take Arsenal to the top. So make everybody there for their back because they are really trying. And remember the statistics I showed yesterday. Arsenal currently are the highest spenders in the EPL. Even Newcastle, maybe Babalo, maybe the richest club in the world, they don't spend riches. Even Man City, they never spend riches. The previous summer transfer too, we were the highest spenders. Now, as since they go, we might be the highest spender because we never spend finish. So when you check out all these things, you can't come out and say they don't really give Arteta money. That means at the end of the season, if Arteta no do normal, it's supposed to kick him out. Give him the sack letter. Tell him find square root because for now, we know they can't play. We are results oriented again. We know they is growing. That young boys. We know they for that one again. Give us results or you'll be kicked out. So we know what yesterday. Should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and see that it will get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your Sunday and get out.